Did you know that cats are masters at hiding their illnesses until they become severe? It's surprisingly common for our furry friends to mask their pain, and you might be missing the signs. It's not just the obvious signs like vomiting or limping that should concern you. Subtle changes in your cat's behavior or habits can be early indicators of health problems. Maybe your usually aloof feline is suddenly clingy, or perhaps they're drinking more water than usual. Ignoring these can lead to more significant issues down the line. So, what should you be looking for, and how can you guarantee your cat stays healthy and happy? When it comes to understanding why your cat might be feeling under the weather, it's crucial to recognize the common causes of illness that can affect them. Sometimes it's the little things, a missed meal, a quiet day, that might be telling you more than you think. Let's explore the critical signs you shouldn't overlook.
Pet tips, tricks, and love. Middle's Paws, your guide to happy, healthy pets.
Seeing your cat vomit can be alarming, but how often is too often? In the domain of feline health, vomiting is a symptom that can, at times, perplex even the most attentive cat owner. When your cat vomits frequently, it could indicate signs of a sick cat. If your cat isn't eating and appears lethargic, early detection and treatment are essential. Vomiting cats may be experiencing an illness, so prompt attention helps guarantee their well-being. When even their favorite treat doesn't tempt them, it's time to take notice. A noticeable loss of appetite in your cat can be one of the early indicators of illness. If your cat is sick and not eating, it's a critical sign of a sick cat. You might also notice your cat is losing weight, which further highlights signs of illness. Don't wait. Take your cat to the vet for early intervention and treatment to guarantee their well-being. Sudden ravenous hunger in your feline friend can be just as concerning as a loss of appetite, often signaling underlying health issues. An increased appetite might indicate hyperthyroidism or diabetes, both serious conditions affecting cat health. These symptoms that indicate your cat is unwell shouldn't be ignored. If you notice these signs of illness, consult your vet promptly to guarantee your cat receives the necessary care. While a cat's sudden increased appetite can raise concerns, noticing your cat drinking more water than usual should also prompt a closer look at their health. Increased thirst in your feline friend can be one of the signs of illness, such as kidney disease. Recognizing these signs your cat is sick is essential. If you notice this behavior, make an appointment with your veterinarian promptly. Did you notice your cat looking thinner or, on the other hand, heavier than usual? When it comes to your cat's health, pay close attention to any noticeable weight changes. Subtle changes might indicate signs of illness, especially in older cats. A sudden loss or gain in weight isn't typical for a healthy cat. Early detection and treatment are essential for your feline friend's well-being. Monitor their weight regularly to guarantee they stay in peak health. When your cat's litter box habits change drastically, it's worth paying attention. How can you tell if your cat's diarrhea is a sign of something serious? Observe if it persists beyond a day or two. Frequent episodes could be warning signs that your cat is sick. Other signs of trouble include blood in the stool or a sudden change in behavior. If you notice these symptoms, your cat may be sick, and a veterinary visit is essential. Spotting lethargy in your cat can be a crucial indicator of illness. If your typically energetic feline suddenly seems like it can't walk or lacks enthusiasm, it might be more than just laziness. It's a subtle sign your cat isn't feeling well. Recognizing the signs of illness early, such as lethargy, can make a difference. Trust your instincts and take your cat to the vet to guarantee their health. Frequent litter box visits or difficulty urinating aren't just inconveniences. Among the subtle signs that your cat might be unwell, changes in urination can serve as a telling indicator. If you notice any of these signs, blood in the urine, frequent trips to the litter box, or changes in behavior, it could signify a serious illness. Don't ignore them. A cat sick and drooling might need immediate attention. Consult your veterinarian to guarantee your cat's health. Just as changes in urination can signal health issues in your cat, alterations in their breathing patterns shouldn't be overlooked. If your cat is suddenly coughing or sneezing, it could be a sign of a sick cat. When a cat seems to struggle with breathing, it might be suffering from an underlying issue. It's a signal you can't ignore. Breathing changes can point to serious conditions. Notice that your cat is having difficulty? Take your cat to the vet promptly. Occasionally, you might notice a bit of discharge from your cat's eyes or nose, which can be an indication of health concerns. Recognizing this as a sign of a sick cat is essential for prompt cat care. Such discharge could mean your cat is in pain or experiencing discomfort. Pay attention to these warning signs of a sick cat to guarantee pet safety and well-being. Ear gunk isn't just dirty, it could be a sign of infection or other health issues. Detecting ear debris or discharge in your cat can be a critical indicator of their health status. Such signs of illness may indicate your cat's discomfort or infection. Observe changes in cat behavior or grooming habits, as they often reveal underlying issues. Prioritize your cat's safety by seeking veterinary advice for the detection and treatment of illnesses, ensuring your feline friend stays healthy and happy. Is your cat scratching more than usual, or do you see patches of fur missing? When your cat starts showing signs of skin irritation or hair loss, it's a clear indication that something might be amiss with their health. An itching cat or one that's losing patches of fur could be experiencing discomfort when they're sick. These signs and symptoms indicate your cat needs attention. Recognizing these early signs your cat may show can guarantee timely intervention and care. Your cat's health can also be reflected in their vocal patterns, just as much as it's in their skin condition. When your cat suddenly becomes chatty, they may be trying to tell you something important about their well-being. As a cat owner, examine your cat closely, using gentle cat handling techniques to identify symptoms that indicate your feline needs veterinary attention. Cats are meticulous groomers by nature, but when grooming becomes excessive, it might be a red flag for underlying health issues. Overgrooming is one of the signs your cat may be dealing with an illness. While it's normal for cats to groom themselves, cats can be stoic creatures, hiding discomfort. Pet advice suggests watching for bald patches, as these can indicate stress or allergies. While overgrooming can be a visible sign of distress or illness, a shift in your cat's personality might be equally telling. Cats are adept at masking discomfort, so sudden personality changes could mean your cat is sick. If your usual social feline becomes withdrawn or an average adult cat turns aggressive, these are signs and symptoms that indicate a problem. Don't ignore these subtle signs of a sick cat. Spotting a limp or noticing your cat having trouble jumping can be alarming and often indicate underlying issues. These sick cat symptoms might show signs that something is wrong, such as an injury or illness. You can tell if your cat is struggling by observing their movements closely. If limping or trouble jumping persists, consult your veterinarian to address potential health concerns promptly and guarantee your feline's well-being. Amidst the myriad of signs that might indicate your cat's health is compromised, swelling is one that shouldn't be overlooked. Swelling could be due to dental disease in cats, especially if you notice bad breath in cats. When your cat's breath turns foul, it might be more than just an unpleasant odor. It could be a sign of underlying health issues. Bad breath often indicates disease in cats that can lead to more serious problems. Learn how to examine a cat's mouth for signs of a sick cat. This awareness can mean that your cat receives timely care. If your cat isn't grooming or showing other signs or symptoms, treatment of illnesses can help. Proceed with caution and make an appointment with the vet. If you notice that your cat seems under the weather, it's essential to take immediate and thoughtful action. First, understand the signs of a sick cat, like a cat sick coughing, as it could be a sign of something serious. Always err on the side of caution and make a vet appointment. Meanwhile, make your cat comfortable at home. These pet tips can guarantee your feline friend gets the care they need. So, what can you do to ensure your pet's health? First and foremost, it's essential to stay vigilant and to recognize the signs of illness, no matter how subtle they may be. As a responsible pet owner, it's essential to closely observe any behavioral or physical changes in your cat. Remember, early intervention can make a significant difference in your cat's health and happiness. Make sure to schedule regular vet checkups and don't be afraid to ask questions or express your concerns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Meadow's Paws channel for more pet care tips and advice.
Oh, pet tips, tricks, and love. Little Paws, your guide to happy, healthy pets. Pets.